breakfast, I am having an omelet with a side of center cut bacon. The center cut bacon is a little bit lower in calories than regular bacon. It's not as greasy. I plan on trying to get turkey bacon again, but I want to finish up what I already have in my fridge, and it's really not that high calories, so I'm just gonna finish that. And then I made an omelet with spinach and bell peppers and light mozzarella cheese. And then I'm gonna have that with my Premier Protein cafe latte. I am looking rough right now and my eye is twitching again. I told you guys I had eye surgery and my eye, especially being around this light right now, is twitching. Let's talk about that omelet. That omelet was really good. However, I totally forgot to grill up the veggies before throwing them in the omelet. No pasa nada, right? Because you're technically able to have raw veggies anyway. So I made my omelet, it was fine. Center cut bacon was really good. I noticed it is lower in calories than a regular piece. It's also less fatty, but I do kind of want to switch to turkey bacon. I actually like the taste of turkey bacon. I don't know why I haven't bought it in a while. Probably because Kevin doesn't really like it, so I usually just settle for center cut bacon. But you know what? We're making some swaps. We're making some better choices. So next time I'm at the grocery store, I'm gonna have to get turkey bacon. So sorry, Kevin. Sorry, babe. I know you're watching this. The Cafe Latte Premier Protein is also pretty good. It's equivalent to 1 cup of coffee if you've never had it before. It is a little bit thicker though, so if you like watery protein shakes, you're gonna have to water it down or dilute it with almond milk or oat milk or whatever type of milk that you drink. But the taste isn't bad, it's pretty good. Wow, okay, so this whole time I was drying my hair with the blow dryer side pointing the completely wrong direction. No wonder it was taking forever to blow dry. I'm just gonna add a little bit of dry shampoo. I am loving this one. It's the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Advanced Dry Shampoo. Got it for Christmas and I still have some of it, which is nice. It smells really good. To add dry shampoo when I actually style my hair, like when it's fresh, because I find that it also prevents it from getting really oily. And that is it. I just wanted my ends to be a little bit wavy. Like I said, I'm not really going anywhere. I do want to get a new heat protectant just to protect my hair because I do use my blow dryer. I want to say I use it when I style it maybe twice a week. 2 to 3 times, and in between when I have to really curl like my ends again. But yeah, I'm looking for a new heat protectant, so let me know if you have any good ones. Hi mama, say hello. Say hello. Why don't you want to say hello? People love to see you on here. Bella Boo. Hi precious girl. Hi guys. I hope you guys are having a great day, huh Baba? Yes. Yes, look at you, little cute face. Oh my goodness, look at that little button nose. It is now lunchtime and I wanted to share with you guys what we're having. We are having at-home pizzas. So I got this crust at Trader Joe's. It came in a 2-pack. Really good for entertaining. It was under like $4 for 2 large pizzas and they're pretty thick. Really good. But I'm actually going to be using this flatbread, so I'm going to make a pizza for Kevin and I'm going to use this flatbread for myself. I got this at Aldi. It has 7 grams of protein, high fiber, 90 calories. We'll see how that goes. And then I'm going to be using the shredded light mozzarella cheese from Trader Joe's. Jalapenos, of course, I'm going to add some of that. And then this organic marinara pasta sauce from from Aldi. They have the best prices for pasta sauces for only $1.98. So we're going to be using that. Also got this at Aldi, just regular pepperoni. And I was looking for the turkey one, but they were all out. So we're going to be using that. And then we're going to add some spinach just for some greens. for too long. I just want to show you this one. It looks delicious. I mean, obviously I'm eating a flatbread, but look at this. You can totally have people over and make your own pizza for like 10 bucks. Yes, I'm eating it like a taco. It's obviously a flatbread. It's like a tortilla. The jalapenos are the best part.
Playing with all of us kids were over there, and they're goofy and silly.
I recently bought a new book. It's by Jay Shetty, and I need to read it, but I left it in the car. So that's gonna be my new read. I don't know what I'm gonna do for dinner yet, so I'm gonna think about that. I'm probably gonna go watch George Lopez. Okay, so are you guys watching Lopez versus Lopez on Peacock? If you are not watching it, it's hilarious. You need to watch it. Actually, there's only a few episodes out right now, so it kind of made me want to watch George Lopez again. I remember watching George Lopez like years ago and it playing at like 12, 1 o'clock, and it was like a marathons. And I was like, let me watch it from the beginning. So I recently started watching it because Kevin had never watched it before. He's like, I've never seen the George Lopez show. I'm like, what? Are you freaking kidding me? I was like, we have to watch it. So we started watching it from the beginning, and he's like, man, like the mom is savage. She is. She's super savage, but like so is George Lopez, like with her too. I love this show so much, and I had totally forgot about it, so I'm excited to continue to watch it. I think I'm on like season 3, episode like 15 or something. We didn't feel like cooking tonight, so we just went to In-N-Out. Good old In-N-Out. If you're in California, you know In-N-Out is just, it's really the place where we go get burgers when we're craving a burger. Double protein style with grilled onions, and I usually do chopped chilies, but I don't know what's going on right now with the whole like chilies thing. I don't think they're back to their regular spicy chilies, so I didn't even add any chilies. But In-N-Out doesn't hit the same when you don't have the regular spicy chilies, in my opinion. I skipped the fries and I had a zero sugar cream Dr. Pepper. So good. By the way, I tried the zero sugar Dr. Pepper, what is it, strawberry or strawberries and cream? Strawberries and cream. Terrible. At first I was trying it and I was like, this is actually all right. And then I let Kevin try it, and he doesn't drink zero sugar sodas, so I should have known. But the moment that he drank it, he was like, this tastes like NyQuil. And then now I can't get NyQuil out of my head. And I finished watching probably an episode or 2 of Love is Blind season 4. Season 3 was good. Season 2 was trash. So season 4 is pretty good so far. It's the new season, and we'll see how it goes. I don't have any other shows that I'm currently watching right now, so hopefully this is good. But we're just gonna wind down, chill out. Kevin will probably take a peep and actually like watch the show with me. It's usually how it goes. He says he doesn't want to watch it, and then he sits down and he ends up watching it while he's like watching gaming stuff on his phone. Ella got her little puppy patty. Everyone's happy. The moment she just turned around, the moment I say puppy patty, it's like saying the W-A-L-K word. I hope you guys enjoyed watching what I eat today. I mean, it was pretty basic. What is she doing? Bella's climbing on couches now. Bella, why are you climbing on couches, girl? What is it? You want attention? Do you want attention? You gonna get kisses from mama? Kisses from mama? Kisses from mama. Kisses from mama. Oh my gosh. Okay, and with that, we will see you guys on the next video. Bye.